Good morning. Can I have your name, please?
Attorney Mosby.
Now calling case number 23S00435. This is the State of Michigan versus Tony Lynn Mosby.
Ashley
Yes.
Moten on behalf of Mr. Mosby. State your name for the record, sir.
Tony Lynn Mosby.
Okay, thank you. So today is the date and time set for an arraignment in this matter. What I am seeing here, you were last in front of me on May 19th. So at that point, I set you for a sentencing date on June 17th. You appeared for the sentencing date, but you had failed to contact probation and to drug test. You were Soberlink testing. The judge set you for another sentencing date that was July 22nd. And on July 1st, we received another community corrections bond violation report that you keep failing to comply with the community corrections as directed. So, Attorney Moten, do you have a copy of this report dated July 1st?
No, I just have the one from June.
When is your June 26th?
June 23rd.
Third. Okay, so I do not actually seem to have one from June 23rd. I've got one from June 13th.
Okay, yeah.
So June 13th and June 26th. What I will say is this, as far as the bond violation reports go, because between June 26th at least and July 1st, they seem to be substantively the same, and that is that
Wayne County.
Mr. Mosby missed drug tests that he was scheduled for June 2nd, June 13th, June 17th, and June 24th. He was ordered to test using the Soberlink device and missed a number of the Soberlink tests. So presumably your June 23rd report goes up through June 23rd. Attorney
Yes,
Mosby?
I was in custody.
1 second, Mr. Mosby, I got it. My report goes from June 17th, yes, until the 23rd.
Okay. So on June 24th, he missed scheduled tests and didn't retest. Same with the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and July 1st, at which point Community Corrections determined that he had absconded supervision and closed his file.
Okay. I did speak with Mr. Mosby regarding that. I was trying to get the dates. I was speaking with his attorney so we could try to find it. But since his last court date on June 17th, he was in Wayne County and Oakland County's custody. He lets me know that he was in Wayne County for about 3 weeks and Oakland for about a month. Again, I do not have those exact dates. I was trying to find it on the My Court website. However, this all has occurred since his last court date. So that is why some of those tests are missed. Well, most of those tests were missed. He is gainfully employed. He has 3 children and 1 on the way. We are requesting a personal bond in this matter.
I'm taking a look to see if I can find anything because, as you may or may not be aware, when the judge issued the bench warrant, she ordered no bond.
Okay, so this one says he was booked July 18th in Oakland County.
Yes, but you can, what I'm trying to do is look up some of the other dates real quick too, because you should be able to see those.
If you also may please send me the most updated violation report.
Mr. Mosby, do you still have the Soberlink?
Yes.
Got it, thank you.
Yep. Okay, and Mr. Mosby, when were you stating that you were in Wayne County?
Soon as I got up out of here, I had to go to Wayne County to get a tether put on my leg. but they kept me in there 3 extra weeks. Like soon as she gave me the bond, they kept me in there 3 extra weeks.
Okay.
And then when they put the tether on, they put me on house arrest, and I stayed on house arrest for, I believe, like 2 weeks.
Okay. So you still have a tether on?
No, they took it off. The case was dismissed.
Okay. So you were in front of me on May 19th. You saw the judge for sentencing on June 17th. When did you go to Wayne County?
Wayne County, like soon as I got up out of here. See, I was on house arrest when I seen her.
Okay. So right after you saw me in May.
Yes.
Okay.
But they didn't release me out of Wayne County until like when I left from here, they came and got me 3 days later, but they had me down in Wayne County to wait on the tether for like 3 weeks. Then I was released like July, I think it was July the 8th or something like that.
Do you have anything else pending anywhere else that you are aware of?
The case that I'm on right now in Oakland County, because I had a test.
Mr. Mosby, is it still open?
Huh?
Is it
Yes.
open? Okay,
And
that's
my
all she
next,
wants to know. I would just
oh,
stop there.
I'm
So the
sorry.
Wayne County case is closed, and then
Yes,
the Oakland is still open. Got it.
yes.
Okay. So the court is going to set a bond violation and sentencing date that will be August 28th, 2025. That will be at 10 in the morning over Zoom in front of Judge Washington. At this time, per the judge's order, bond is being denied, but Attorney Moten, if you are able to get documentation of all of the incarceration dates, whatever was going on there, then get it to us so we can potentially reconsider as needed.
Okay, did you say the 28th at 10 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay. Can he get on the Monday date or on the 25th?
So Tuesday is exams, Monday is the DV docket specifically, and it's already really booked. So I will put him on Monday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, but again, if you're able to get confirmation of all of the dates that he was incarcerated, because I can't see anything for Wayne County at this point.
Yeah, I got it inside my property,
Okay.
but I don't have the Wayne County one, but I got the one from Oakland County. It's in my property.
And the link that you sent me, it said the date that he was booked. Does it say anywhere when he was released? No. Okay.
No, so that's VineLink, so you can use it just to look up any of this sort of thing, but it doesn't necessarily give you a whole lot of information. It depends on how much that particular county or jail system communicates with it.
Mm-hmm.
What you saw is what I see as well.
Okay. Thank you.
So, and it's public, so that's okay. So, Mr. Mosby, the judge will see you Monday, okay? And in the meantime, if we're able to get any sort of confirmation about dates that you were incarcerated, that would be helpful.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. You are free to go to the door.
All right. Did you say this Monday?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, not today, but
Next Monday.
25th. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Still at 10 a.m.
All righty.
Okay, thank you.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Tony Lynn Mosby stood before Magistrate Hillary Braley for arraignment on a bond violation. And the record showed a tangle of missed tests and conflicting custody dates. Magistrate Braley walked through the reports, Mosby had missed multiple drug screens and Soberlink tests in June. Then by July 1st, Community Corrections deemed him to have absconded supervision and closed his file. Defense attorney Ashley Moten countered that most of those missed tests weren't willful at all. Mosby had been in custody in both Wayne and Oakland counties, though exact dates were hard to pin down. Mosby himself confirmed he'd been held in Wayne on a tether matter for several weeks, then transferred to Oakland, where his case remained open. He insisted he still had his Soberlink device and that some of the confusion was just the system lagging behind his movements. Magistrate Braley was patient but firm, pointing out that without documentation of those jail dates, the record still looked like noncompliance. She denied bond for the time being but set the matter for a combined bond violation and sentencing hearing on August 28 before Judge Washington, leaving the door open if defense could produce proof of custody to explain the missed tests. The atmosphere was methodical but not unsympathetic, defense trying to fill in the gaps, Mosby offering his side, and the magistrate keeping the focus on accountability and clear records moving forward. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.